7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. This is the unboxing of Stanley combination spanner set. The model is 17965E. This is a set of 23 pieces. It is made of high quality chrome vanadium steel with ISO 9000 certification. Even though the MRP is over 2000 bucks, I got it at a huge discount. So let's open the box. It has got a black pouch which you can also hang on the wall or somewhere. This is a perfect kit to add to your tool collection. Okay, let me adjust it so that everything comes inside the frame. This is the smallest one. The 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Then 30 and 32. This is the biggest one. All the pieces has got anti-corrosion and anti-slip feature. So that was the unboxing of Stanley combination spanner set. If you are interested, you can find the link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.